everyday junglist.
Yes, Massive Crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm going to show you a little trick that I started doing recently that now allows me to get a little bit more accurate with repairing my discs. There's a lot of dust and oxidization on the discs, and they spin around and cause the disc surface to scratch before you can even get to archive your disc. So this is a pre-process that I do now. Okay guys, so I just noticed something here. On the disc that doesn't load, I've noticed here, I don't know if you can see it properly, but there's some, yeah, I can see it in the screen. There's some discoloration just around the inside of the disc. Now I'm wondering if that's got anything to do with the friction of the disc, why it doesn't actually load. Because this disc doesn't actually load, and I've taken it out to clean it, to put some isopropyl in. I've taken it out of its case. Yep, sad to have to deface my discs, but it's obviously better than you know, being able to get that to load would be better than actually just having a disc that's broken that doesn't work. And I figure the more you put that in the drive and the more you try to access it, I believe that the dust particles or whatever it is causing it to mess up is going to eventually erode. So I'm going to try and just give that a little bit of a clean. Okay guys, so after dipping this in actual water, a little watery bowl, it worked. It actually worked. The amens that wouldn't load worked, and now I'm going to try and load this final sample, which is 1%. This is giving me a bit of grief to load. It gets 3/4 way through and then it doesn't load, so I'm going to try it on Omniflop and see if, oh my god, it loaded. It worked. Guys, this is what I used. I literally just got an old bowl and I just dipped the disc in here and then just dried it. This is just a bit of warm water, no isopropyl. So guys, this is the new lick. Just literally get my disc now. Move this out of the way. I'm practically just rinsing out the inside of the disc. This is the new lick. You don't want to scratch your disc, so you have to be careful. There's a little disc thing inside. Get in there, open him up as quick as possible. Open him up. Got to sort of prise this apart somehow. I think I'll put the right protect down or up. One of the two. You put the right protect down or up, makes it easy, I'm not sure. Right, there we go, let's get that open there. This is a tricky disc, man. This is one of them sealed tight ones. I have to use a fat screwdriver, I think. Bloody hell, I've got to kind of prise this open. Come on, mate. Get a bread knife instead. We can't afford to break this disc, man. Come on, mate. Get it open. Tricky. There you go. Popped it. I'll do the same on the other side now. That was a tricky one. I've not seen them like that before. Hopefully this one. That's it. Little turn in there. Snap him open. Got a bit of a kink on it now, man. I just hope that don't screw it up. Gnarly little kink on it there. Wash it out. Literally washing it. Be careful not to bend it. Dry that off now. There we go. Bit of regular tissue paper, people. It's kind of nice tissue paper though. Mrs. likes nice tissue paper. Right, so clean that off. Hopefully that kink ain't going to cause too much problems. I'm really counting on that not going wrong. Otherwise I've lost respect crew disc, which is what I don't want. Fingers crossed, folks, fingers crossed. Right, let's try them now and see what happens. Okay, Keybase is about to load. pop that in there. I might get a second floppy drive, man, because it takes A and B to must take a second floppy drive, which I'm looking to probably install in here at some point. Let's get the Cubase loaded, get the old Mike Hunter going. Lovely jubbly. Mike Hunter, original Mike Hunter. There he is. Lovely. So guys, watch my next video where I actually show you the process of me going through to get to this stage where I got the song to load and I got it to play. New tune, Respect Crew.
I'm a everyday junglist.
There's a lot of dust and oxidization on the discs.